So again, just building that curve. It's coming around and up. Here's the section there. So this is just giving you the hands shaking. Not sure why they're shaking, but there they are. Nice thick line on the bottom, thin line up at the top. And remember, if you're doing the pencil, the thin and thick line is the key. And then these overlapping fingers, they go thin to thick down here, thin up here. And it builds that part up. And that gives it this part, so it's kind of overlapping itself. A little bit of the glove. And so once you get it, you can start to find that base tone, just blend it up. So it's just a little bit offset from that edge right there for the reflected lighting. A little cast shadow on this thumb to this guy's hand. It's just a very subtle dark to light there. Nice beading. And you can go in sharper pencils if you want. They're storming the castle here. Same idea with this guy. So here's the circle part. The mitten would be here, but only one of the fingers is coming out, kind of exaggerated pointing. And the thumb, just remember with the anatomy, you have the 3 flanges and the metacarpals on this part, so that's where the thumb gets a little more dramatic in there. So that's going to be on that section. A little bit thicker up there. And it comes down to where it's thick to thin. Wraps itself around. Kind of see the tip of the hand right there too. So there's the round part kind of coming through the back of the hand. And now you can kind of see. And then it just shows a little bit of the finger down here. So again, try to find the base of that. Here's each shadow, so you can kind of simply tone it in there. Here it wraps around here. It's got a little bit of a curve of this part coming around. A little bit of a harder lead here to scratch it back. Let's give him a couple of hands. I'll move down this guy. Here he's kind of holding his pocket. Here's the circle. The mitten would be out like this, but now it's bent around. And the thumb is in there, so you can kind of see the palm of it through the back of the hand here. We'll just tuck it down in between the clothing there. Wraps this around, and this pinky kind of gives a little bit more of the flush there. There's the elliptical shape. And the fabric just kind of wraps around that piece, and it kind of gives it the twist. find here's the overall circle. A little bit of shading in there. Going with the hard lead there. And then the last one kind of has this little fighting hand here. See if I can find that one. Again, the circle's kind of at an angle, and the mitt would be up there, but now it's bent around, coming around the edge there. Wrapping around so it goes up, but down. Here's a perspective line here to show this front fist here. And kind of giving that thumb a little bit more life to it. Here's the lower part of the palm. A little bit on the other side to kind of draw through it so you can see it. And then this sleeve with the arm, so just kind of let it draw through, kind of get that motion. Kind of tuck the piece underneath it, just to give it a little bit more life to it. Go. So you got four drawings. Shaking hands, pointing, no money, punch him in the nose.